Hola clase. First time doing a video. Woo! Ok, esto es capítulo 5, gramática de la segunda parte, capítulo 5.2, y esta gramática se llama los adjetivos y los pronombres demostrativos. I wanted to do a video this time of myself because demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns involve directions, so it's a kind of a visual concept. So remember that you use demonstrative adjectives to point out people or things that are nearby and that are far away. A demonstrative adjective always comes before the noun and agrees with it in gender and number. We actually did these already last year in Spanish too. So let's see if you remember them. Okay, a couple of examples. Me gusta mucho trabajar en este centro recreativo. ¿Quién donó esa comida? Voy a ayudar a aquellos pacientes. So we can use these to talk about like how far away something is. I'm going to work at, or I like to work at this rec center who donated that food, or I'm going to help those patients over there. Demonstrative adjectives can also be used as pronouns. Remember, pronouns are the things that replace a noun. So the way that you can tell the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns is an accent mark. All right, so here's some examples of both demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. You're going to notice that the demonstrative pronouns have accents on them. Here's the first one. Me es imposible trabajar para este candidato, pero me encantaría trabajar para ese. It's impossible for me to work for this candidate, but I would love to work for that one. So that one, ese, that's the pronoun because it replaced the noun candidato. ¿Ves esas bolsas? Por favor, recoge esa, pero no recojas aquella. Do you see those bags? Please pick up that one, but don't pick up that one over there. So this first time, it's used as an adjective, and then the second time, it's used as a pronoun to replace the word bolsa, and here's another pronoun to replace the word bolsa. Okay, to refer to an idea or something that's not been identified, in other words, it's just a general statement, you have to use the demonstrative pronouns esto, eso, or aquello. So this is only if we don't have a noun that we're talking about. They're just general statements in the air. Also, they don't have accent marks on them. Couple of examples. Esto es injusto. This is unfair. I didn't really say what the this was. I just made a general statement. Me encantaría eso. I would love that. I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I would love that. ¿Qué es aquello? What's that over there? I don't really know what it is, so I can't really be very specific. I'm just going to use a general word, aquello. So esto, eso, and aquello are for when I don't have a specific noun that I'm referring to. I'm just making a general statement. All right, I know you like charts, so here's what this looks like in a chart. We have este, esta, that's masculine, feminine, for this. Estos and estas, masculine and feminine, for these. And then the pronouns of the same, just have accent marks on them. Ese and esa are the masculine and feminine for that. Esos and esas are the plural. Those, masculine and feminine. And then even further away, aquel and aquella, that's masculine and feminine of that thing over there. And aquellos, aquellas, masculine and feminine for those things over there. All right, and so the pronouns are exactly the same. They just have accents on them. Okay, that's adjetivos y pronombres demostrativos. We'll talk more about them in class tomorrow. Hasta luego.